Hey everybody, here we are, video 2 of the next series of TIG welding aluminum. And I've got my pieces cut for, this is going to be the back section of the recliner part of the lounge. And one of the most important things on something like this is, I'm going to leave an 1/8" space so it's got plenty of room to slide inside the main frame of the lounge. But this really needs to be pretty square, or you're going to run into all kinds of problems. And I think we're doing pretty good here. Let's see what we got. 33 5/16. 33 5/16. 33 1/4. 16th. That's acceptable. I don't think it gets much better than that. I can probably get it a little closer just by giving it a little tap. And almost 3/8. 33. Yeah, I think I went. Okay. Got to get another black here. Yeah, this side's long, so I need to. Actually, I went wrong. I tapped it the wrong way, but. And 5/16, probably 33 1/4 is going to be the sweet spot. Thirty-three and a quarter. I'm getting better than that. Everything's square with speed square. Yep. Alright. Now I'm getting ready to place my horizontal pieces in here, or cross pieces, support tubes. They're all the same. They're gonna be spacing is going to be 1.5 inches apart. And then they're going to put cushions on top, so should be nice.